list, I think I've only read a couple of those, but I Love You Forever for sure stands out. But I'll be into that phase here before you know it, since I'm exactly 2 months away from my due date. 84 degrees here in Salt Lake City. We've got wind right now out of the north at 12 miles per hour. It is really, really nice second half of this week, even early this week, if you were liking that more comfort fall type weather. We had that on Labor Day, and then we've heated back up and we're going to be warm this weekend. So we're about 80 to 85 for all of the Wasatch Front right now. Even over towards Vernal, currently 85. St. George 90 right now. Salt Lake over the next couple of hours will drop into the 60s around midnight tonight, and then into tomorrow morning we might even dip into the 50s for some locations here along the Wasatch Front. A mild day. Temperatures warming up even hotter for this weekend by just a few degrees, and air quality will be moderate for tomorrow. What I'm currently tracking is a few thunderstorms in northern Nevada, southern Idaho. As expected, we'll see potentially the same setup tomorrow. We might lift those storms a little further north, getting up into more of south central Idaho for tomorrow. But most of Utah has high pressure dominating, which means we'll continue the pretty consistent pattern over the next couple of days. So tomorrow morning, again, 55 to 65 degrees. Might need a sweater as you're heading out for an early walk tomorrow morning or as the kids head out to school. Then by tomorrow at 5, 6 o'clock, temps will be around 80 to 90 for the Wasatch Front. So we're going to have a warm day tomorrow. And then as we look at our pattern over the next few days, we'll keep most storms off to our north for tomorrow. By Friday, same thing, Idaho border and further north. And then into Saturday, we will again have a little bit of unsettled weather, mainly off to our north and east. So for Ogden, your chance of precipitation through the next couple of days, it's really low. We're going to keep you dry through the weekend, and then we might see some additional clouds and maybe a few more showers by midweek next week. For Provo, same kind of pattern. And for St. George, your chance of storms also very low through the weekend with maybe a few showers by early to mid next week. St. George, you're close to 100 degrees this weekend, but for tomorrow, mid 90s. For Salt Lake, mid to upper 80s through the weekend, and we'll keep you in the 80s through next week.